This is the fire station in Luxkastel, the Netherlands, a great example of a Theta dual service application. One system for both domestic hot water and heating. Dual service is perfect for locations with a large hot water demand and a relatively small heating demand, like this fire station and also campsites or sports facilities. Dual service can be used in combination with our BFC Cyclone high-efficiency gas-fired water heater, an SGE or SGS high-efficiency gas solar water heaters. Let's go inside and take a closer look at the installation. On this site, an SGE direct-fired gas solar water heater has been installed. The solar energy is transferred from the collectors to the domestic water in the tank. In case of heating demand, the control will activate the sanitary pump, the heating pump, and the three-way mixing valve. Hot water will flow through the plate heat exchanger where heat is transferred to the heating system. The required heating temperature is programmed using the thermocontrol, depending on the type of heating installation. Based on the information from the temperature sensor on the heating supply, the intelligent control activates the sanitary pump and three-way mixing valve to create the required heating temperature. The flow on the plate heat exchanger is regulated by modulating the sanitary pump and the three-way valve, mixing hot water from the water heater with the colder return water. The Theta dual service system is available in several modules depending on heating demand, the type of installation and the type of water heater. The most important advantages for both the installer and the end user are: one installation for both domestic hot water and heating demand, one flue outlet, water connection and gas connection, one installation for service and maintenance, one-stop shop and project management by A.O. Smith, compact and reliable.